LF668 Drone Operation Tutorial. Unpacking the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light stays on during charging, automatically turns off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Indicator light stays on during charging, automatically turns off when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Install remote control joysticks. Insert memory card. Install drone battery. Turn on the drone's power. Place drone on a level surface. Then turn on the remote control switch. One-touch gyro calibration. Push the left stick up to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Press the upper left corner speed switch. One beep indicates low speed. Two beeps indicate medium speed. Press the hover button. The drone will begin hovering in place. Press the spin button. The drone will rotate in place. Three beeps indicate high speed. Electric camera adjustment. Enable headless mode. The drone will treat the remote's orientation as its rear direction. Press briefly again to disable headless mode. Short press for one-touch backward flight. Short press to turn lights on or off. Enter fine-tuning mode. If drone drifts left, adjust right. If drifting forward, adjust backward. Press briefly again to exit fine-tuning mode. One-touch landing. Press briefly to take a photo. Press briefly to start recording. Press again to save recording. Press the return button and select File System to view saved photos and videos. Press briefly the return button to return to live feed. Connect to the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Turn on the drone's power. After download completes, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app.